Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out. Let me assure you.
Will you be my Valentine?
Oh, Carl, this is so sweet.
Thank you. I sprayed it with my dad's cologne. It's called Bunyan Beagle.
She's beautiful and gorgeous.
Yeah, she's almost as pretty as your mother. You smell like pine cones.
Here we go now. 1, nothing wrong with me. 2, nothing wrong with me. 3, nothing wrong with me. 4, nothing wrong with me. 1, something's got to give. 2, something's got to give. 3, something's got to give. Now! Let the party hit the...
I don't feel so good.